So, you've finished a gourmet dinner, and now you're brewing a relaxing tea. You might as well just throw your money in the blender. You're working out 5 days a week, and you've cut out the soda, but the scale isn't moving. It's frustrating, right? The truth is, the food industry... You think you're being healthy? Honey, you're committing a nutritional felony. Let's look at the crime scene. The problem isn't always the calories, it's how your hormones react. Many healthy processed foods have a high glycemic index. Your body is a high-performance engine, but you're pouring sugar, well, tannins, into the gas tank. The biggest mistake is trusting the front of the package. Terms like gluten-free or all-natural don't always mean healthy. People overeat these items because they feel safe. To fix this, we need to simplify. Swap processed grains for whole ones like quinoa or sprouted bread. Read the back of the label, not the front. You just ate iron. Your red blood cells are waiting for it like fans at a sold-out concert. And here comes the tea, acting like a riot squad, shutting the whole party down. Here's a secret hack. Mix sparkling water with a splash of pure cranberry juice and a squeeze of lime. Get the fizz and flaky calories.
The tea hits your tongue, but the real sabotage happens the moment it slides down your throat.
Remember, if a food comes in a colorful box with a long list of ingredients, it's probably not a health food. Stick to things that grew in the ground or had a mother. Tannins are polyphenols. They're great for plants, but they're basically handcuffs for your minerals.
The second they see iron, they bind to it. It's a chemical attachment more toxic than your last relationship.
Once they bind, they form an insoluble complex. That's science speak for unusable garbage. Your small intestine is looking for iron, but it doesn't recognize this weird tea monster you've created. The absorption pores are wide open, but the tannin-iron clump is like trying to fit a grand piano through a cat flap, but with the right approach.
If you're a vegetarian, it's even worse. Tea can slash your plant iron absorption by up to 70%.
Your liver, the overworked bouncer of your body, is wondering where the supplies are.
Empty red blood cells floating by like ghost ships. Your red blood cells are basically empty Ubers. No iron means no oxygen transport. Hope you like being tired. Your heart starts working double shifts because your relaxing tea stole its fuel. Irony is fun, isn't it? Off screen, straight to the exit. You paid for that nutrition, but you're just flushing it away in style. It's not just iron. Tannins are equal opportunity thieves. They're coming for your zinc and calcium too. Feeling lightheaded? That's not Zen. That's your brain starving for oxygen because you couldn't wait an hour.
Your cognitive function takes a hit. You're literally making yourself dumber for a cup of Earl Grey.
Your kidneys are now processing the tea, wondering why you're making their job so much harder. Water helps digestion. Tea stages a military coup. Choose your side wisely.
Your body is desperate. It's scavenging for leftovers while the tea is still flooding the zone.
Anemic blood cells are like flat tires. You aren't going anywhere fast with a tea-heavy diet. You're breathing, but the oxygen has nowhere to sit. It's like a game of musical chairs, where I took all the chairs. The fix is simple, but I know simple is hard for some of you. Put the kettle down and walk away. Digestion needs a head start. Give your stomach 60 minutes of peace before you send in the tannin squad. Look at that! Iron actually making it into the blood. It's a miracle of not drinking tea. Now the Ubers are full. Oxygen is moving. Your cells are finally getting the memo. Less stress on your system means less cortisol. You'll actually feel relaxed. For real this time. A nourished body is a fast body. A tea-blocked body is a swamp. Don't live in a swamp. Now for the bonus bite. Let's talk about the cellular hack to beat the tea traps. Vitamin C is the tea drinker's only get-out-of-jail-free card. It's the tannin's natural enemy. Vitamin C acts like a lawyer. It breaks the illegal contract between the tannin and the iron.
Boom! The iron is free. It's now bioavailable again. The lemon just saved your life. Okay, your energy.
It's like an armed escort. If you MUST have tea, squeeze some lemon in there and pray. Keeping your iron levels steady also keeps your hormones from throwing a temper tantrum. When you're iron deficient, you crave sugar to compensate for the fatigue. It's a vicious, stupid cycle. Your muscles need this iron to move. Without it, your workout is just you moving heavy things while being sad. Iron is the secret to not having hair that looks like a dried out bird's nest. Priorities, people. I drink water. I have energy. I don't need a nap at 7 p.m. Coincidence? Absolutely not. This is where the magic happens. ATP, energy, life, all made possible because you didn't drink tea. Your nervous system is finally humming. No more brain fog, no more why am I like this moments. The liver is finally caught up. The system is clean.
The bouncer can finally take a break.
The difference is 60 minutes. That's less time than you spend scrolling through TikTok. Iron-rich blood fuels your immune system. Don't let a tea bag be the reason you catch a cold. This is what an optimized human looks like. Notice the lack of tea-induced mineral theft. See? 1 hour later, the tea can do its thing without ruining your dinner's hard work. It's not rocket science, it's just basic biology. Stop being your own worst enemy. Healthy body, smart choices, zero excuses. This has been your health bite for the day. Now go wait 60 minutes before that tea. Subscribe if you want to keep your nutrients. Class dismissed.